Hi, it's Saturday, September 21st. It's the last day of summer. We took yesterday off. Came up, did some work, but it really wasn't like a whole lot to show. Plus, I forgot the camera at home when we came up, so didn't shoot a video yesterday. But it was all prep, which is not much to show again. We got the windshield prepped, ready for painting the inside border here, and got that Scotch-Brited roughed up. Got this all masked off, ready to go. Everything's marked out for that part there. The other side where the wing cuffs are, and that bottom windshield area. Gonna paint those today. And yesterday, that's what we were working on. These are all of the parts for the windshield and skylight that are interior facing that we'll see from inside. So we put satin black on those. Did that yesterday, a good chunk of the day. Also took some paint off of our boot cowls, the top boot cowl. We took that paint off where that windshield is going to be sitting so that we can do a sealant on there. That took a little while to do because I was surprised. We actually did a pretty good job of painting that, and it was quite a job getting all that off of there, sanding that down and cleaning with MEK. And it's a little rough on there, but that's all going to be underneath the windshield hold down strip, and there's going to be sealant on it and whatnot. So got that done. And today, now we're going to start picking up. Let's see. I guess I did say we're going to paint that. We got that stuff ready. We're going to hopefully be putting in the boot cowl for good. We're going to rivet that in today. So I've got an AOA indicator that I need to install on the boot cowl top, as well as the GPS antenna for the G3X that's going up on the dash. So we're going to get started on this and see how far we get today. All right, didn't really have a good angle to show much of this here, but we've got our center section of the top boot cowl just sitting in place here, and we installed the GPS antenna, and that is the GPS antenna for the G3X, which is separate from the GNX 375 antenna, which is up on the back on the fuselage. Also have the AOA indicator installed here, and we've just got that coming down through that boot cowl there. And so we've got that installed, and I think we're ready to take this tape off finally. That's been on here for 3+ years. We're going to take that off, clean that tube up, getting ready to put the side top skins on here, get all that stuff clecoed up, and then we can think about riveting that in. No, it's another really nice day today. I'm not going to have too many more of these before winter hits us. And we're done for today. Like I showed earlier, we did that top boot cowl skin. We got that clecoed in, but we got those items connected, the AOA indicator for the dash and the GPS antenna for the G3X. And we did the little trim rings around those side boot skins, and decided to, once we got everything fit up, decided to put one more coat of flat black on there. So we've got that sprayed. It's still wet. Both of those are, but those will have a fresh layer of flat black on them, and they'll be hopefully ready tomorrow at some point that we can get those clecoed up and riveted in. So we'll see what happens tomorrow when we get here and take a look at these pieces again. So anyway, hey everybody, thanks for watching. Have a good evening, and that is it for now.